Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to fix a problem on Ford Fiesta MK7. If you're trying guys to fix a problem relating to the windshield washer pump not working, let me turn the ignition on and I'll show you. Okay, I press it in and I don't get any water on the windshield, nothing, no, the windshield, the windshield washer reservoir does not work as you can see, but the wipers will be working fine. The only thing not working is the washing system. So we'll show you which fuse is for that today guys. We'll be taking apart the whole car. More than 200 videos will be coming on the channel. Please subscribe, and if you need anything, let us know. Let's start on it now. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. Okay, and those are the stops. Okay, once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it straight out. Okay, like that. You can see where the hinges are. Okay, that's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. So that fuse sometimes will go bad if you leave water and no windshield washer freezes, the pump will freeze and burn a fuse. It happened before. So you need to locate, it's supposed to be 15 amp fuse. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and locate fuse number 15. Okay, this one right here. This is 10 amp. We replaced it with a burn 10 instead of 15, so we can show you how it doesn't work because of a burn fuse. This is what it's supposed to have, 15 amp fuse. Okay, so now let me go ahead. Okay, push that in all the way and let's see if it works now. So we turn the ignition on. Okay, let's see if it works now. Yep, you can see works perfectly fine. So this is for the washing system guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.